Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix Roblox Error Code 280. So if you encounter problem like this, okay, your version of Roblox may be out of date, please update Roblox and try again. Error Code 280. So we're going to do a few methods and steps here. First thing to do is to just simply exit any Roblox application that is running. Okay, you can go to this part, right click, and then exit. Okay, so that's the very first thing. The second step or the second method is you have to set time automatically. Go to settings, and then you just have to go to language and time. Okay, time and language rather. And then here you have to make sure that this one is set up automatically. Turn this one on. Okay, the second step is to relaunch or update Roblox. You just have to go to Roblox and then select any game here and then tap this green button and it will automatically download and install. Now, if you want to download using Microsoft Store, you can just simply go to the search icon and then type Microsoft Store and then get this Roblox here. Next thing to do is to simply update network adapter driver. You just have to go to the search icon again, go to device manager, and then look for that adapter that you're using. Tap adapter, right click, and then click update driver. Okay, if you're not sure of what you're using, then you can just simply do it one by one if you want. Okay, right click, and then click update driver. Okay, next thing to do is to simply update your windows. Okay, so you just have to go to this search icon here or search bar here and then type Windows Update. And what you're going to do here is to simply click check updates. It's very important that your Windows is up to date. Okay, so next is you just have to go to apps, go to installed apps, and then look for Roblox. And what we're going to do here is to clear Roblox cache. Okay, clear Roblox app cache. So here, if you have downloaded your Roblox using Microsoft Store, you just have to go to advanced options and then click this reset here. Now, if you have downloaded your Roblox using Google Chrome, you have to go to the search icon and then type Run, and then you see here person symbol, local data, local app data, person symbol, tap OK. And then once you tap that, you just have to locate your Roblox folder here, right click, and then click delete. So don't worry, it will not affect progress on Roblox. So I hope that by doing any of this method here, it will fix the problem error code 280. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.